everyone. This is AnaedoOnline TV, and today is the Sunday Jollification with your host, Onyinye. We are here at train station. We are here to interact with the indigenes of Nnewi to know how they spend their Sundays. Most of them spend their time at the bars. So we are here to talk to them and know what they have to say to us. Join us as we go inside to interact with the customers.
My name is Richard.
Richard?
Yeah, Prince Richard.
Okay. Prince Richard, we hear you are the manager of train station, so tell us more about train station.
Anyway, thank you very much. As you can see, train station is a very nice place. A comfortable place where you can come around, hang out with your friends without having any problems, security assured. As you can see, we have like 8 plasmas around where you can come around, watch your game, you know, freestyle, do whatever you want to do. And the most important thing is that as you're here, you're secured. The security are all over the places. So train station is a nice place. It's a place to be, a place you can come around, hang out with your friends. Thank you very much.
Okay. Is the joint, is this bar only open on Sundays or is it throughout the week?
No, every blessed day till dawn. We club even Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. So we don't have any closing time.
Okay. What special thing does your customer expect when they come here? What do they expect anytime they visit here?
Whenever they come around here, they always expect to see stars, different stars, because I always come across different stars and I bring them in to come and make them happy. Okay,
you feature indigenous artists from Nnewi or any other community?
Any other community. Okay. I bring in artists to come and perform, at least to make them happy.
Okay. Thank you very much for talking to us. So we're going to talk to your customers right now and see what they have to say also. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Cyprian Chisomokoro, aka Simedi.
So what do you do for a living?
Okay, actually I'm a business guy and I'm also a producer, a music producer too. I'm also in music entertainment.
Wow, a music producer.
Yeah.
So how many songs have you produced?
A lot of them, quite right, but it's not something I can display here actually. So when you get close to me, then I can show you my handwork. Okay.
Interesting, very interesting.
Of its own, I don't actually base here in Nnewi, but this is where I was born and brought up. So precisely, I have many friends here. My family is here too.
Interesting. So, are you married or single?
Single.
Very single?
Don't I look single?
Well, you look very single.
Of course, I'm a young guy. Don't I look single? Yes, look around you.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, did you come here alone or you came with, someone?
Actually, I came with my younger sister at the back. So, yeah.
Hello, sister. Okay, so after here, where will you be going to?
I'll be heading home. It's rain already, so actually I don't stay late night hours like this. Yeah.
Okay, just sister, no other person, no chick, no girlfriend, no fiance.
Okay, is that what you mean? Okay, I have somebody, but I'm not into serious relationship for now. But I'm okay the way I am. I'm okay.
So we are free to say you're single and searching and you're up for adoption, or?
Yeah, single and searching actually.
Okay, we have a question for you.
It's all right.
If Nnewi is to be a state, which town would be the capital?
Would be the capital?
Yeah, the capital of where to be a state.
Let's say Opunebu Umudim.
Why?
Actually, if you see, Opunebu is a very open place in Nnewi here. If you look around, in most other places it's not being filled, it's not been open like Nnewi here. If you walk around, this is Nnewi roundabout. Once you come to Nnewi, the next place you head to is towards roundabout side, and that towards roundabout side will lead you and link you towards Nnewi Umudim. So I think this place should be.
Are you from Umudim?
I'm from Enugu State. Yeah.
Okay. How many states or how many towns make up the Anedo community?
I think I should say 5 or 4. We have Opunebu, we have Otoro, we have Nnewi, we have Uruago. I think 4.
Okay, 4. Are you sure about that?
I'm not really, but this is my answer. I think that is what I can give out for now.
Thank you very much. Thank you for talking to us. Hi.
I'm fine. Hello.
Can you tell us your name, please?
My name is Moma Collins Chukwebuka, popularly known as Bios.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I'm an educationalist, and I'm also a songwriter and a musician too.
Songwriter?
Yeah.
I think there are lots of music people around here.
Yeah, they do come around.
Okay. So how many songs have you written?
I can't really give you numbers because it's more than it's enough. As in, it has written. I can't really specify the actual number, but to my own count, I'm sure I've written more than 100 songs.
So can we say we'll be expecting something from you this December?
Of course, I'm dropping a song titled Ife. Ife in Yoruba language, which means love.
Oh, I see. That's good. Where are you based?
I'm based here, but I'm always at Oka.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you married or single?
I'm still single. Not married.
You're not married?
Yeah.
You're single?
Yeah.
Very single?
Yes.
No
yes.
girlfriend?
No girlfriend.
Are you sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
Why do you not go to Oka?
I normally go there. There's a studio there. I normally go there to do my songs.
So not because of your girlfriend?
No, not at all. Not at all.
Okay. So we have a few questions for you. Just 2.
All right.
If Nnewi were to be a state, which town would be the capital?
Of course, yeah. Yeah.
Why?
Because this is my place.
So because you're here, so that's why it should be here?
Yes.
Is that not being very biased? There are other communities here.
I think this is the most popular community around.
Interesting. Okay, so tell me, how many towns make up the Anedo community?
How many?
How many towns make up the Anedo community?
4.
4?
Yes, 4.
Please name them.
Uruago, Umudim, Otolo, Nnewi.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Very certain.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy yourself.
All right, you too. Bye.
Biko gwanya fagi.
Avambo Chibeze Mwokoye. Some people na boko Mosilora.
Osirara train station okwe? Ke ihe siri anyị taa?
Ana m agwa isi ewu na-agwụ nkwobi na-agwa anụ ọkụ.
Ya bụ na before anyị pụọ ị ga-enye anyị isi ewu nke anyị.
Enweghị nsogbu na.
Ibi obodo a?
Ibi obodo a.
Okay. Ịnụgo nwaanyị ka ị ka na-achọgharị?
Aka na-achọkwa achọ.
Ị ka na-achọ achọ?
Afụgo m afọ n'obere oge na.
Okay, ị na-akwadozi akwado?
Na-akwado.
Ke mbọsị ya bịa ri rice gị biko?
Ọ ga-abụzi n'ime Disemba na ife na-akọkụrụ ebe.
Ọ dịghị agwọ nke mbọsị ahụ ka ya akpọta onye ya agwọ nke mbọsị?
Mma agwa special.
Special thing.
Ka ahụ manụ na-eme.
Afọ ya? Okay, ngwa make sure na ị gwakwara anyị ka anyị bịa ka anyị so ogiri.
Enweghị nsogbu.
Okay, ngwa na anyị ga-ajụ ajụjụ na-abụ. Ofu bụ, ọ bụ na Nnewi bụ estate. Ke obodo ga-abụ the capital?
Okay, n'ime Nnewi ka ị na-ewe. Okay, na dị Nnewi ghara oriri. Otolo na?
Why Otolo?
Enwesịrị many companies, many men nọ na Otolo.
So maka the company dị na na maka the men dị na ka anyị eji mee Otolo capital?
Enwekwara ndị ndị ọkwa agbagotara. Like imagonu ndị a na ebe mepere ọfụma ka ndị na-akọwa.
Si na achịkọwa na Umudim, Uruago na Nnewi ji emepere ọfụma.
a mepere ọfụma o mana asị enwe mana abịa na Nnewi ya sị na ebe a ka emekarị ọfụma ma Otolo ka eme ọfụma.
Ibu onye Otolo?
Abụkwụrụ m onye Nnewi risem.
Okay, ngwanụ gwa anyị ke obodo mekiri up the Anaedo community, obodo niile mekiri up the Anaedo community.
Anaedo community? Mara m gwa m nke ahụ because ahụ m onye Nnewi ya.
Mana otego n'ibiri n'obodo a ọrịa? How many years kita? Aroni?
O megokwa 5 or 4 years.
I kwesịrị ịjụ ese?
Ọgwa n'ihe na ka nna ajụkwa na-esi ya.
Okay, ngwanụ. Nsogbu adịrọ, daalụ sọ, ịnwago. So mụ chee gị ka ị gwọrọ anyị.
Nwe nsogbu ka ọ sụwa pọtọpọtọ n'ite.
Daalụ sọ, thank you.
Gentle Prince, Noble Silencer, Buena Pomune, Owolonia Masalanson, Owolonia Masalanson, Owolonia Masalanson, Owolonia Masalanson, Owolonia Masalanson, Owolonia Masalanson. Before why they hustle, I dey do many things with the muscle. What I do? Thank God. I just celebrate now with the bubbles. I want to get you. I don't care like I tell them my bossy bike. Don't worry, I'm my salon son. Nene kwa moni homa, naga benuzo na fuso ifoma.